Become and welcome to Numberdar TV. I am your host, Naveed Ahmed. Today, Number the TV present, a special program of All Pakistan Numberdar Association and Nambardar TV production. Meet the Nambardars, the backbone of Pakistan's rural communities. For decades, they have served as the bridge between the government and the people. But their own voices have remained unheard, until now. The story follows the journey of a young Nambardar Ali who faces numerous challenges while serving his community. Ali, I realize that I am not alone in my struggles. There are so many of us facing the same issues. Ali decides to unite the Nambardars across Pakistan. Senior Nambardar, we have all faced hardship and shown dedication. It's time we come together and make our voices heard. Ali and his colleagues decide to form an association to represent their interests and amplify their voices. Ali, we need to stand together and create an organization that truly represents us. They face opposition from those who want to maintain the status quo, but they persevere. Government official, this association will disrupt the existing order. We cannot allow it. The All Pakistan Nambardar Association, or APNA, is born. Act 3. The Fight for Recognition. Ali as Ali. APNA faces numerous challenges as it fights for recognition from the government and the public. Female Nambardar as female Nambardar. The Nambardars use their collective strength to advocate for their rights and interests. Young activist as young activist. They organize protests, rallies, and awareness campaigns to highlight their issues. Act 4. The Victory. Ali as Ali. After years of struggle, APNA finally gains recognition from the government and the public. The Nambardars celebrate their victory, knowing that their voices are now heard. Ali as Ali. Ali reflects on the journey, proud of what APNA has achieved. Conclusion. The camera pans out, showing the Nambardars gathered together, their faces filled with hope and determination. This is the story of APNA, a testament to the power of unity and determination. The Nambardars' voices will no longer be silenced, empowering the voices of rural Pakistan.